Hello, I'm a Seed System Solution, and in this video, I will guide you through the process of pulling the GPOS exports for the trait royalty license companies. If you do not see any of the options referenced in this video, please contact an admin user within your organization for assistance. The GPOS exports are the reports that have been formatted to match the requested templates by the trait royalty companies. Each company has an individual report that can be found in the menus. If the current format for the export does not match what you are being requested to submit, there may have been changes made to the reporting company template that we are unaware of. Please send us notice of this change and attach any applicable documentation so we can look into adjusting our templates. To pull these reports, you're going to go to the main menu, select Reports, GPOS, and then you'll see a list of reports. So you can see there's an Agrisure, BASF, Corteva, and Bayer. Bayer does have two different options. The by trait option is the old format, which is going to pull and sort the report based on a trait royalty company matching the trait on the line. The by product is going to be based on a connection for the Bayer product name, which is set up in the genetics table. This would match similarly to the Bayer order bank products that are pulled. As a reminder, if it is a trait only and not Bayer genetics, you would still need to set up a Bayer product name, and you would use the trait only dash the trait name as your product name. This is how Bayer has requested it, but only products with a Bayer product name are going to pull to this Bayer GPOS by product name report. So you're going to select the report, you're going to open the filter. There are a few options, but you do want to make sure the filter options that are selected are the delivered only and the year you're reporting filters. The other ones can be used throughout the year if you're looking to pull the reports mid-season, but at time of reporting, you need delivered only, you're reporting, and you're going to press apply. Now, we do recommend pulling these reports early, somewhat often, but definitely early, in case there are any discrepancies. It is hard for us to troubleshoot a discrepancy on the day that the report is due. So please, in case there is anything we need to help you look into, please pull these reports well in advance of the deadline, which would give us an option and an opportunity to assist you with any troubleshooting. We also recommend comparing the results here against the results of a GPOS report or trait sales report, pulling for the same traits, the same license company, those similar results to make sure these quantities match. There's always a chance that filtering could be different. There's a chance that something wasn't delivered, or a product name or a trait wasn't linked somehow, or the year isn't reflecting correctly. So any of those things are things we could help you with and assist you with, as long as this report has been pulled in advance of the deadline. If you do need to make any changes to this data, you can do so and then re-pull the report. So if you go back to this customer, you could add in their license information or change their address. You would then need to refilter this report before creating your export. To create your export, you're going to open the hamburger menu and you're going to select export. Depending on how many lines it is, it will depend on how long the report takes to pull. I don't have very many, so it didn't take very long. If you're pulling hundreds or thousands of sales lines, it will take a little bit to create this export for you. And then it should be in the same format that that license company has requested. We do only enter a summary field in the line for invoice number. This has been approved by the trait royalty license companies, and it is because we do not have one sales summary line here for each invoice that is created. Multiple invoices can be built and created, and that is why you will see the word summary under the invoice number and not an actual invoice ID number. If you have any further questions, you can contact us through our email at grow@seedsystem.co. You can reference some of our other training videos that we have available, or you can register for one of our free monthly Seed System Support Zoom meetings.